a Renault Megane 2011 DCI auto gearbox car, and today I'm gonna change the gear oil. I'm using this MOTUL Multi DCTF gear oil. You can use this gear oil for different cars and also for Renault EDC transmission cars. So my car is the EDC transmission and it's a good quality gear oil. Even though the company does not say right to change the gear oil, but I think it's a good idea to change the gear oil of your Renault. So let's go now. Here
This
you
one?
have on the left wheel, there's a small opening for the gear oil. I just pointed out here with the red mark. You have to open this to put your gear oil. So you have to use a tool to open this knob because it's very much stuck down here, and here you can see that I'm using it and applying some pressure on it. It's made of plastic, but you can open it after a little bit hard pushing. And now I open that knob. It's the opening where you put your gear oil once you drain the gear oil. And now go to the point at the bottom where we'll have a drainage of the gear oil. We open with 8mm socket to open the drainage, and here you can see that we are opening the drainage. So now it's opening, and the quality of the gear oil was very bad. It's required 1.9 liter of gear oil. So now it's completely drained out the oil, and I just show you the knob, which is 8mm. Now you can read the gear box number. It's from Getrag, and I have written the numbers. So if you have the same Getrag gearbox number, that you can use the same oil. It's 2500331392. Now we will close down the bottom drainage point so that we can fill the gear oil. So I'm using this pump to fill the gear oil.
Yeah, working.
Okay,
Yeah.
stop. No stop now.
Yeah, stop.
Very good. It's no problem. Okay?
Yeah.